I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. I don't know if y'all can see, but the Japanese kids are out playing. They are all wearing, oh, I think they're getting ready to leave school. Schools are being closed earlier these days because of the whole thing that's going on, the pandemic. So they're all wearing yellow hats, orange bags. Their shoes are the same. And you know, surprisingly, you don't have a lot of cases where persons are saying, where is my bag, where is my shoes? They know where their bags are, they know where their shoes are, and yeah, they're good. Nobody not take away nobody something, nobody not trouble nobody things, and they're very protective of their stuff. The video is it's a little bit far because I'm doing it from my balcony. Plus, I wouldn't want to do it closer because I don't want to show faces. But as you can see, them look like some little ants. All of them look the same. Their outdoor shoes may be different, but the indoor shoes are the same. Yeah, and they have their little water bottles. They all have their bottles and their pencil cases. Pencil cases are a very big thing in Japan. Like, they must have their pencil cases with all their supplies, pencils, rulers, eraser, everything. And what am I doing? And you know, kids are kids anywhere you go, whether they're Japanese or Jamaican or American kids. Just playful, just innocent. Them fight same way. Them have them little disagreements same way. Kids are kids, man. It's just marvel. My mom always said picnic a picnic anywhere, no matter where them come from. Picnic a picnic. They're sitting in the sun. What are they doing? In Japan though, the kids work very hard. Like, they have a culture that they must learn perseverance, hard work, loyalty, and all of that from very young. So sometimes you see them as young as they are at this age. After school, they have things to do. They have English lessons, they have clubs, and it goes right up to high school. They're overworked. That's my view. And many other ALTs or foreigners living in Japan have done videos. You can check out, what's her name, Life with Tommy's World. She did a video about things in Japan that unpopular opinions, I think it is, and she touched on some really good topics, and everything she said true. Every single thing what she says true. The teachers are overworked. They go to work very early and they leave late. So that's the school structure. That's like the rear view. It's just a square building. Yeah. Well, it's just a little quick video for you. Thanks for tuning in, and please remember to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Boom, bang. I'm out.